Hello and welcome to Let's Learn. In today's video we are going to learn all about the letter O. Let's get started. O is for octopus. Octopus. O is for ostrich. Ostrich. O is for onion. Onion. O is for olives. Olives. O is for oven. Oven. O is for orange. Orange. That's all about today. If you found it helpful, please give us a like, as it really helps out the channel, and if you want to see more video like this, don't forget to subscribe to join the Let's Learn. Thank you for watching. See you the next time. Goodbye.